Good morning. Today we are going to do the healing energy right here at the river. Well, I mean at the riverside. And I'm not going to do this at my house because it's a beautiful day. So I just thought if I do it here, it would be a lot easier to send the healing energy to you guys and to whoever that needed it right now. So I will continue walking till at the end over there, and I will get back to you as soon as I prepare all the things that I need. I'll be right back. Oh, I just can't help it. I just thought I need to show you guys the beautiful path that they made for people like us to go over there. And this is our beautiful river. See, the water is going so fast, and so is the wind. So it's a perfect place for me to do my healing energy. And here we are. Isn't this beautiful?
Alfina, no, stay down. Hey, come here.
That's all right.